Did you know that one middle school is using the school library to help educate students about fake news? In collaboration with school educators, the school librarian is able to use memes to help students determine the validity of different news items in a variety of platforms. This is just one way in which the school librarian is helping keep their library current and relevant. My goal for our school is to keep the library current and relevant for both staff and student needs. This means that I'm going to have to play many different roles or wear many different hats throughout the school day. These hats or roles that I will play range from traditional library tasks such as checking out books and making book recommendations, all the way up to conducting professional development sessions on current technology trends and pedagogies that can be used within the classroom. No matter what role that the librarian plays for that day, their goal is to ultimately meet both staff and student needs and help them grow and succeed. In order for me to be able to meet my goal, I'm going to need both administrative and faculty support. This is where you come in. This support will help me not only meet your needs as a faculty, but also meet the needs of our students and school community. In order for our students to succeed, we need to be all in all the time. School librarians are more important now than ever. According to the journal article titled Themes in School Librarianship Part 1 Advocacy, roughly 15% of the total number of school librarians positions in the U.S. were eliminated between 2009 and 2016. This is alarming. I do not want this to happen to our school library position. Our library provides so many opportunities for our staff and students to be successful, and I don't want to lose that. I want to be available to help meet all of our staff and student needs all the time, but I need your support. I want for us to keep our school librarian position for many years to come, not just because it's a job for me, but because my position gives me the opportunity to help both students and staff members. One way that I can help is with the implementation of inquiry-based learning, which goes along with our Common Core state standards. In our text, How Your Teacher Librarian Can Be an Ally When Teaching with Inquiry, the text states a teacher librarian is the ideal partner for inquiry. They're flexible and can make time for us and our students. They're great sounding boards, and they build meaningful relationship with students and help them hone their inquiry skills while taking responsibility for their own learning. This is awesome. The implementation of inquiry-based learning allows for students to take ownership, which is something that all of us want, both administrators and teachers alike. I can also be a wonderful ally in collaborating with you and your students. In the journal article, Implementing and Evaluating Instructional Partnerships, the school librarian is viewed as a knowledgeable collaborator that can be used to enhance student learning. According to the text, school librarians can support and deliver teacher training and facilitate students' project creation. We can support implementation by co-teaching and collaborating with classroom teachers on their projects. This is going to increase the student-to-teacher ratio, and it's going to allow for two professionals to be there during the class period to meet all the students' needs, which is a big deal also. I can also be knowledgeable of current pedagogies and present those to you in professional development sessions. According to our School Library Connection workshop, Engaging the Learning Community, there's many different ways in which I can deliver professional development sessions to you. Whether that's tweet-up sessions, watching movies, interacting through Facebook or Google Classroom, I plan on utilizing all of those digital tools to help meet our needs as a faculty and for our students. Being able to provide help with the implementation of inquiry-based learning, collaborate with others, and provide professional development sessions allows me to be able to meet both student and staff needs while aligning those needs with the school and district goals. I want for our library to stay relevant, and I want our stakeholders to know what an impact the library makes on the school community as a whole. Without your help and support, I'm not going to be able to do this. So, what can you do to show your support? Encourage students to visit the library and check out resources. Invite me to your PLC or grade level meetings and discuss collaborative opportunities or the implementation of inquiry-based learning activities. And attend, whether it be virtually or physically, to professional development sessions that I can offer. Remember when I said that school librarians are more important now than ever? Well, this is true for libraries across the nation, and this is also true for our own school library. I do not want our library position to be eliminated, so come out, support, and be positive. Thanks.